2-3 kucing berlari. Saya berlari lagi saya jumpa kucing mati. Thank you Tok Baki.
You look sweating right now. Okay. All right. Okay. You look so tired tonight, but okay, it was a good hat trick from you like at the second half. Tell me more about it.
It's normal to get a bit tired after you come inside because the game is already at 100% and you need to get there. But I feel good physically, and I'm really happy for my hat trick, my first one with the JGT jersey, and most of all to help the team to increase the lead and to go home with the 3 points.
What was going through your mind when you scored the third goal before the match ended? Sorry, yeah.
Just happiness. First of all, of course, for after coming inside and to be able to contribute in the score sheet to help my team to get the victory, and of course individually the 3 goals, and I'm happy, and let's go.
Okay, last question is like next week you're going to have 2 matches, ECL and also the semi-final of FA Cup against Kuching. So 2 games, 2 important games. What can you expect for that?
As you said, 2 tough games, but we're in a good run, and we just need to keep the head down, the feet on the ground, and keep working hard as we are doing now. And then we must expect that everything will go on our way.
Nama coach Terengganu, 2 pendek je.
Kau Badu.
Betul. Kalau nama panjang?
Badu Nizam.
Tak apa, saya dah terima dah nama Badrul tu, okey. Alright. Okey. Soalan dia, Azam Azmi Ane dia pakai jersey nombor berapa?
Nombor 6.
Wow, senang sangat. Okey, Akia?
Nombor 7.
Suhaimi Hussein?
38.
Wow, amazing. Okey. A2 juga. A2 adalah Lenyak. Boleh tak you bagi tahu siapa pemain yang baru kahwin dengan artis hari tu?
Akia.
Okey, betul. Wow, A5 babe. A5 is something new. Baju. Wow, dapat baju.
Alhamdulillah.
Dapat baju memang satu. Awak besar, boleh pakai.
Masih boleh. Memang saiz pun.
Memang saiz L. Ya ke? Boleh, siapa nak start dulu? Osom. 1, 2, 3.
Okey. Pergi kedai beli buku. Jangan sampai Ganu bantai 4-1.
Lawan.
Tengah hari minum air batu. Terengganu menang 2-1. Boleh tak?
2-3 kucing berlari. Terengganu sampai jangan lari.
Mana boleh ada ayat.
Dia menang.
Okey. Bawa bagi 2 bantun. Cuba pilih. 1 blush, 1 spot oil. Dapat A berapa?
A6.
Okey, tapi dekat kamera A6 dapat point. Tahniah, walaupun awak kalah tapi awak menang. Clash. Semua nak clash Alright, okey.
Sepandai-pandai goalkeeper JDT menjaga gol, pandai lagi goalkeeper Terengganu jaga gol. 2-3 kucing berlari. Saya berlari lagi saya jumpa kucing mati.
Awak pilih. Awak rasa siapa pantun paling best tadi? Okey, alright, okey. Yeah. Okay. Yay! Dapat apa? A berapa? A3 dapat raincoat.
Thank you Tok Baki.
Thank you Tok Baki.
Thank you Tok Baki.
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.